Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself buried under dozens of Google Sheets files and wondering how to keep things neat and organized, this tutorial is perfect for you. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to move a Google Sheets file into a different folder in Google Drive. By the end of this video, you'll know several quick and simple ways to keep your files sorted like a pro, which means no more wasting time searching for that one spreadsheet you desperately need. Let's jump right in. So maybe you've just finished a sheet or you found something you want to file away properly. The most direct way to move a Google Sheets file is right inside the sheet itself. Look in the top left corner and you'll see an icon that looks just like a little folder. This is the Move icon. It's easy to miss if you're not looking for it, but it's incredibly handy. Go ahead and click it. Once you do, a window will pop up showing you all your current folders and files. Now, this view is basically like the map of your Google Drive. From here, you can simply choose where you want your file to live. You can scroll through your list, expand folders, or even navigate backwards if needed. Take a moment to find the perfect spot that makes sense for your organization. Maybe it's a folder for monthly reports, client files, or class notes. But that's not the only method. There's a neat alternative, especially if you're the kind of person who likes to use search to speed things up. This time, instead of clicking the folder icon, try clicking on the search bar at the top of your Google Drive. Yep, just the regular old search bar. Type in the word Move. You'll see some suggestions pop up, and from there, you can find the Move command and quickly pick the folder you want to send your sheet to. This is a great trick if you're working fast or handling lots of files, and it can be a real time saver if you keep your folders well labeled. Now, what if you want to tidy up and don't have the right folder yet? No worries, you can create a brand new folder while you're in the Move process. When you've got that Move window open, look towards the bottom left. You'll spot a little folder icon with a plus sign. This is your new folder button. Click it, give your new folder a meaningful name, something you'll remember like 2024 budgets or Q2, hit create. Instantly, you've got a new home for your files without leaving the Move process. And here's another super useful method. You don't even have to open your Google Sheet to move it. Just head over to your main Google Drive page where all your files and folders are laid out. Locate the sheet or file you want to move, right-click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Organize. Click Organize, then hit Move. From there, just pick the destination folder like before. This is perfect if you're spring cleaning your drive or moving a bunch of files at once. Remember, don't stress if it takes a little time to get your folders set up just how you like them. Organization is personal, and a few extra seconds now can save you loads of time later. And that's all there is to it. Your Google Sheets files can now be moved, organized, and managed in whichever way works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Google Drive questions, or if there's a specific tutorial you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.